We travel worlds within worlds. Why is it so hard to imagine you belong here? No place to leave from or return to, just worlds within worlds to explore and discover. Do you not get transported every time you see a beautiful sunset? Do you not go into different dimensions while hiking a mountain or traversing through a dense forest? Is there not a whole world to discover in the sea and the earth herself? How about the vast sky? And what about within the microscopic kingdom of biology? Then why is it fantasy to imagine inside every cell in seemingly form a new world is open to your consciousness too? It's all here, now. Intergalactic and interdimensional. Science has taught people that they can continuously open themselves up to newer and newer realities. An endless game of hide and seek. Never truly being able to completely find, for life continues on, and down the rabbit hole we grow, and yet it's fascinating. And it can be nerve-wracking because it cannot be captured, contained, or obtained. These are just some of the messages I've received since working with the fungi since 2015. I also learned about pacing myself so I don't lose my footing. They shared it's important to move slowly while reconnecting and transfiguring back to oneness. There is no race, for we are infinite. No end and no beginning. Continuous loops of energy moving at faster speeds than light and sound. Here one moment and then gone. And it can make us want to rush to capture the moment. But a moment cannot be captured any more than life is void of death. Moments are all that there is. Time is part of the illusory view of the finite forms. The infinite is beyond time and location and space. And so we move slowly and cautiously through these portals, for they are boundless and can be extremely disorienting to our finite mind. But when we realize that there is no place to be other than where we are, and we slow down, life opens up and reveals itself to us. This is where I met the fungi. This is where I meet nature in all of its wholeness, its totality. And it's also where I get to meet myself. Because this whole puzzle of life reveals itself to us, and we are also a part of it. The puzzle wouldn't be complete without us. So we enjoy and we remember to embrace the miracle and the magic.